So this is our version of She Ratchet, and our Twitter name is gonna be in the description, so you can go ahead and follow us, comment, dislikes, all that good stuff, and we're just gonna do the song. Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that?
She is doing her.
OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this help a picture.
She ratchet?
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
See you ratchet?
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet?
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and it came with a shit. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club.
That right.
In the middle of the club. No shoe. Where's up? I had to get cute today. After I getting for a boot.
That right.
People looking good to my baby daddy. Just like girl, he a thug kid shoe.
That right.
Need new shoes today. Chop for a check, get two today. Got the trash yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
You know it.
Don't beat it out. Mooch. With the big teeth, I got my food. Got a brand new piercing. A brand new tech.
Right here.
$95 for this weed plus tax. Been a thing of a while, so
Get it, girl.
no redhead is tanking. Thinking that you better than I am, well then you think you whatever. She a lie. My number. Bye. Be quiet. Hey girl, you looking good. Get it. Okay, we're just gonna talk to you later. Bye. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Let me take this up a picture.
Cause she ratchet?
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
No, you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too
See,
grown.
you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
You ratchet?
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
She ratchet?
My name is EMMANUEL, but my girlfriend call me Carl.
Alright.
We go before 11 drinks and then we party.
Leg up.
Yes, I am the best. She can't have this boo-boo song. She changes my future, baby.
I just know you to find
Marvin got my jersey dress on.
Alright.
My press on. Pound, team, brown skin. We don't like them red bumps. Just lift in my picture. New Abby got here. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. No Team Chris Brown.
Okay.
If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut
what
It
you wanna
Down.
do?
I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team he's paying.
Right.
I mean, he must go spend it all on me because you ain't looking on nothing. You ain't looking on nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Please.
What is wrong with her? She's a person.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. I gotta take this up for picture.
She ratchet?
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Oh, you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with some shoes on.
You ratchet?
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat.
She ratchet?
You look good with the leopard skin print. If you look good, try it on you. Your hair is jungle style.
Oh my God.
She's. What?